How to add and delete posts, highlights and reels on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then what you have to do is you have to go down on the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then in order to add reels or highlights or posts, you have to go on this plus option that is located up above. As you click on that, now here you can add a post or reel or story highlight from over here. This is how you can add posts, highlights and reels on Instagram, but for deleting you have to delete them separately. For first, if you want to delete and highlight, you have to go on the highlight page and then click on the highlight. As you click on the highlight, then you have to go on more option and then go to remove from highlights. This is how you will delete your highlight. If you want to delete your post, then you have to click on the post and then go on these three lines and then select delete post. And same goes for the reels option. If you want to delete the reels, you have to click on reel and then go on these three lines and then go to delete. This is how you can add, delete posts, highlights and reels on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.